Find the best backpack vacuum cleaners in 2018 at Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product scored 4.7 and buy today. I am going to review the top 9 best backpack vacuum cleaners on the market in 2018. 9. NewG V6 Quart Hyper Backpack Vacuum 12 pounds weight for easy carrying, molded from polyethylene for lightweight and energy efficiency. Powerful 10 amp motor moves up to 104 cfm of air, 65 sound decibels for a quiet and conducive environment. 8. Sanitaire Ersk 412B Quiet Clean Backpack Lightweight Vacuum 4-stage filtration and HEPA filter for a cleaner and safer environment. 12-inch cleaning path for fast operation, 50 feet long cord for easy reach, 6 quart capacity to suit most applications, 69 decibels of noise for quiet performance. 7. Atrix Vac 1 HEPA Backpack Vacuum Powerful 1400 watt motor has an air output of 106 cfm, lightweight of 10.3 pounds for easy carrying, dimensions of 12L x 9W x 20H inches for extra convenience and portability. 4-level filtration system for improved cleaning. 6. Protein Backpack Vacuums ProVac FS6 Commercial Backpack Vacuum, 6 quart capacity to suit day-to-day applications, adjustable and padded flex fit harness for maximum comfort, open with fabric to cool the body during extended use, extra long 50-foot cord for improved productivity, 4-level advanced filtration plus HEPA media filter for improved air quality. 5. Sanitaire Rucksk 535 Backpack Vacuum, 11.50 amp, 2.50 gallons, black 11.5 amp motor for fast and easy cleaning, 10 quart capacity for fewer emptying cycles, low dispersion technology for efficiency and improved performance, less than 63 dBA for minimal noise. 4. Powflight BP6P Comfort Pro Premium Backpack Vacuum Stretch Wand and Telescoping Wand for improved cleaning, active cooling for fast and effective cooling, 62 dBA rating for minimal noise, powerful 110-inch water lift and 130 cfm for best performance. 3. GV Cordless Battery Backup Vacuum, 8 quart lightweight of 18 pounds for easy carrying, long-lasting lithium-ion battery, lasts for up to 1 hour when fully charged, air-driven power nozzle for improved performance, cordless design for use anywhere. 2. Protein Commercial Backpack Vacuum, Super Coach Vac Vacuum Backpack Powerful motor for improved productivity, 10 quart filter for better cleaning, 4-level advanced filtration for cleaner, many accessories for added versatility. One. Hoover Commercial Vacuum Cleaner weighs less than 10 pounds for improved mobility, chiropractor designed harness for added convenience and comfort, quiet operation for minimal disrupting, extra long 48-foot cord for improved productivity. Thanks for watching. Click the description for price and details, and you can also find links of the product in description. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel. Find the best backpack vacuum cleaners in 2018 at Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product scored 4.7 and buy today. I am